Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How is it feeling taking a loss? Well, it's painful, but if we review back after 15 days of win-win situation, one loss is acceptable as profit and loss are the part and parcel of trading. My heart indicated me, and that was the reason I took a break also. But the loss was a destiny, and it happens. What a day! Bending of trend was located, bullish segment was smelled, positions were taken, all seems set, but stop loss hits. Well, profit and loss is part and parcel of trading, I repeat again, but we must learn from our mistakes. However, there was no flaw in work plan. Sell was taken at 1905 and at times it went 1901 but reversed. We break even it and it was hit. We re-entered again, but this time it didn't give us the time to break even it, and this time stop loss was hit. It's okay, it happens. We have lost 1 out of 15 trades. That is a good ratio. The point is not to go into revenge trading and not to lose discipline and patience. Stay in the market and trade next day. Finally, the fearful night ends and let's go back to our business. I see a good sell opportunity at 0% level from 1919 to 1921 area, and as retracement is always due, we might test 1913 first at 23.6%. If this support is broken, then 1908 at 38.2. A buy chance is between 1905 50% and 1908 38.2% provided SMA 44 intercepts the price in this range. Note one thing more, that in H1 SMA 44 have almost crossed SMA 200 and a golden cross may occur between the range 1905 and 1908 as discussed above. This situation added more support to the buy area. If we see larger time frame like day 1, price is above SMA 200 which is at 1908 and nearing SMA 44 at 1931. My week 1 ascending trend line is crossing at 1923. A major drop can also happen from this area, so be careful in both entries. Follow my break and rejection rule to make an entry. Let's hope for the best to occur in our favor. Good luck. Take care.